I've got a super accurate template, so I'm just gonna carefully wet it. Bring the liner back, just like so. My thumb is still on the liner. I'm actually gonna curl it a little bit to give it some structure. And notice my body position. I'm on the outside of the car, looking through the outside of the window in order to be able to get this done. Okay, now I'm gonna pull that off, and I'm gonna just take my time. There's no real secret other than patience. Now I'm gonna slow it down, sliding it forward. My fingers can barely touch the glass. The water kind of creates a suction and it brings the template to the glass. So now I'm just sliding it down and boom. Now what's most important is to check from the inside for light gaps. If I can't see a light gap from the inside, basically what I'm gonna do is squeegee this out one air pocket at a time, just nice and slowly. I'm getting water out by pushing, but I'm also getting water out by pulling. Okay, now obviously there's still gonna be some water underneath the film. For up here in the corner, I'm literally gonna use my finger to squeegee out these last 2 air bubbles. Now, as we know, as long as there's no air underneath the film, all the water is gonna evaporate and dry out. We're focused on getting all the air pockets out.